right, hey, Simi here with AimHighWalkingTours. We're about to step on the Carnival Vista.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
How are you?
I'm doing good. Yourself?
Good, no complaint.
All right, all right.
Mr. Simon,
Yes, sir.
welcome on board, sir.
Appreciate it.
Is right there on your phone. Check it into your dining room tabs, activities, the whole 9 yards. Actually, today.
Hello, welcome back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because one missing is there.
Oh, I'm right here.
Yes, you can mention it. Okay, good, yeah. So good. First thing when you are into the cabin, check is enough life jacket.
So now I don't have to get the band anymore.
Ah, I see.
Finally.
I got you.
Deck 6.
I know we're not that far off. What's the number, babe?
6350.
6350.
6350.
Okay, so later on I'm gonna make that one king. And this is like gonna be we're graduating.
How you doing? All right. How's it going? Hey, all right. Somebody not paying attention. This is us right here.
I got it.
Uh-oh, he don't want to be on. He don't want to be on camera. Hey, all right now, you two. Wow, wow. Oh my gosh. All right.
Nice.
Yep.
Is gold balcony of you too?
This is our room
You want to do your
for the next 6 days. This is us. Can somebody turn on the light for me? Somebody help me out. Turn on the light. Appreciate it.
What is that?
What color is that, babe?
White.
No.
What
Is that my name on it, babe?
Yeah. What does that mean?
What? No.
Diamond.
Are you really?
Baby.
You put just diamond?
Whoa, 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 whoa. What?
What is that?
No, it says platinum.
Platinum best 250.
It says platinum milestone. I don't know what that means.
America 250? Or what? But yours glitters. It glitters. And it's got
Can you
colors.
put my card down for you contaminated?
Whatever.
Ugh. Wow. Wow. All right, let's look at the closets, y'all. This is all the, y'all can see all the, this is what we got here, guys, for the next 6 days. I don't have to lay everything out for you. You guys know what a USB-C cable is. You guys know what a plug in. You guys know what a phone looks like. You guys know what a vanity mirror looks like. You know what a safe looks like. Let's come over here. We got this good sized closet. Good sized closet here. Nice size. Uh-oh. Somebody didn't do their job. Look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that roll of toilet tissue? Y'all see that roll of toilet tissue down there?
Where at? Oh, man.
Oh, I don't know if I want to go in this bathroom. All right, here we go. Here we go. Not bad, not bad. It has a curtain for the door. That's all right. You know, it ain't like we got to clean if water splashes onto the floor, right? So we got all that. All right. All right. Here is our everything we need right here. Good sized bathroom, decent size for 3 of us. All right. You got a thermostat. It's a little warm in here right now, but we got thermostat right there. I think right down here. Mason, can you open that up for me? Open that. What's that? Is that a refrigerator?
Oh, probably. Yep.
Yep, we got a refrigerator right there. Yep.
It's not big, but it's something you can work with.
Yeah. You know, just so when we take, you know, food from the Lido deck. All right, guys. Yeah, this is us. This is us. Oh, y'all see that lightning strike? Y'all see that lightning strike in the distance? This is us, guys, for the next 6 days. And we are leaving out of Orlando, Port Canaveral. All right, we got the NCL Norwegian cruise. I think it's called the Prima. The process, guys, was really easy. Of course, we have a little advantage. We do have platinum. So I don't know if you guys can see right about, y'all see all those people in line down there, right there? Guys, we bypassed all of that line. They are still waiting just to cross the street to come into, you know, the security area, the check-in area. Just across the street, there's a line. And it's pretty long, especially it's 92 degrees right now. And yeah, just so we bypassed that. We had priority. They immediately they told us, hey, just go across the street, go into that door. That process was really easy. Yeah, probably took all of less than 5 minutes, and then we had to go through security. That took about another maybe 10 minutes or something like that, not long. And yeah, that's it. We're on the ship. We are on the ship. So yeah, guys, once again, this is the Carnival Vista. Let's go check out the rest of the ship. Oh, New York fans. Oh, man, I'm happy for y'all. Even though I'm a Laker, I'm happy for y'all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wherever you want. Anywhere. NT, where is good? Hmm? Okay.
Help you if necessary. You should remain calm and follow the instructions run through. And the muster stations are located on decks 3, 4, and you guessed it, number 5. Okay, if your muster station is not accessible, then you will see us.
I was gonna bring one of my watches, but the batteries are. Is that another atrium there? Upper Promenade. What's the difference? Okay. And go down and go down and down. moving. We are moving. Probably just left. Ooh. See how they do me, y'all? See how they do me? I pay for all this. Ugh.
But I think this is that metal? It is metal. Is it a bridge or just what is that? Is that walkway? You think that's a walkway?
It's a walkway. You can see the door right there. It's a walkway. I also see people walking over there.
No, that one. That bridge right there.
Oh. Probably not a walkway.